Mundakya Upanishad says, Samana vrikshe purusho nimagno nisaya socyati muhyamanaha jastam yada pasyatyai anyamisham asya mahimanam iti vita sokaha. Shaiva translation: same tree of body is having Swami Mahadeva and soul as two different entities existing, but Swami Mahadeva is watching all of us seated in the lotus of our hearts, and we are end up doing karma as two parrots sitting on the same tree.